So I saw this cool pen by Warrior Poet Society, and I thought it was a really cool pen. It looked cool, it felt cool, nice hefty feel to it. And for 20 bucks I thought, wow, I gotta try one of those. So I ordered it. And it came in the mail in a nifty little package. It looks like a cigar case. Unscrews like a cigar. Comes with an extra refill and some little washers, rubber washers. Got a nice pointy metal tip to conceivably break a window or poke an assailant as an emergency defense weapon. Unscrews, just got a really nice little feel to it. Nice weight. Remove that little plastic point there off the tip so it'll write. And once I remove the little plastic tip off of the factory tip, it writes really well.